Use the secret to make your life better. The Secret is a worldwide best-selling book authored by Rhonda Byrne. The book reveals how the law of attraction works in everyday life and how it can be harnessed to make a person's life richer, better, and more meaningful. The Secret shows how the law of attraction can be utilized to enable a person to manifest his dreams. Here's how to use the Secret to make your life better. Get a copy of the book or watch the video. You can find a copy of the book The Secret from online retailers of most major bookstores. If you don't have the time to read the book, you can also watch the video. You can also go to the website at thesecret.tv to get a copy of the book, video and other products relating to the book. Have an open mind as you watch it so you can learn from the different masters that are sharing their wisdom. Understand the law of attraction. The basic secret is the law of attraction. What this means for you is what you put your thought and energy into is what you will manifest in your life. This means that if you have an unhappy life full of bills, problems, and other issues, then that means that is what you have been devoting your thoughts towards. This also means that if you want to change that, then all you have to do is to change the way you think and what you think about. Evaluate your life. To be able to make a change, you need to assess what needs to be modified and improved in your life. Do you have health problems, loads of debt and have no love life to speak of? You can change all these by using the secret. Visualize the life you want. Now that you know what is wrong or what you don't want, it's time to write down and visualize all the things that you do want to manifest in your life. This is a really fun activity because it's basically a wish list of all things you want to have and experience. Make affirmations in the present and in the positive. The power of the secret lies in that you need to be able to write down and think about your wish list as if it has already happened or that you already have everything you want in your life. For example, instead of saying, "I want a boyfriend," you need to state, "I have a loving boyfriend who is thoughtful and romantic." Be as specific as possible. Instead of saying, "I want to have no debt," it is more powerful and positive to say, "I have a lot of money for all my needs and wants." Be consistent. You need to constantly remind yourself of all these positive things that you want to manifest in your life. Don't try to second-guess yourself or doubt your thoughts. If you do that, you will negate your own power. Believe that it will happen. There is power in your belief, so think and believe in good thoughts and things. When you write or magnetize things to your reality, You must not think that you are kidding yourself. It will happen, no matter how impossible it may seem, as long as you hold a steadfast belief in it. Learn more about the secret and see how it can change your life.